Limerick was hammered by Clare on Sunday the 5th of June in Croke Park. Not very devastating news.
And now we will go to our weather.
Today for the weather in Ireland, it's thunder and lightning in the north. Down in Limerick there's rain, what a shame. Up in the west there's wind. And finally, points to Clare, it's sunny and that's all that matters.
Breaking news, there have been 3 animals stolen from Dublin Zoo. We will now go to our correspondents in Dublin Zoo.
We are here at Dublin Zoo Live. Here are some of the protesters. How do you feel? There has been an eyewitness. Tell us what you've seen.
I saw 2 girls about 6 to 5 feet tall. Oh, they both have blue eyes and both have light brown hair.
This is a story.
What are you intending on doing with the animals?
We found them under a tree.
Were you planning on bringing the animals back to the zoo?
Of course we are.
Well, if we didn't bring them back, they would have starved.
Where did you find them?
Under the chestnut tree down the front.
North or west?
West.
How far from the zoo do you think it was? Approximately.
50 metres.
500, I'd say.
2 different very answers.
Yeah, because there's 2 different routes.
50 and 500.
There's 2 different routes.
There's a big difference there now.
There's 2 different routes.
You're getting very defensive.
Yeah, because we didn't do it.
Calm down.
Why did you walk past the zoo though?
We walked past the zoo because of the protesters.
Yeah, the protesters would have followed us and say to the zoo that we were guilty, which is not true.
We both took different routes to the zoo.
I see.
But how did you get the animals out of the zoo if you took both different zoos?
We didn't get the animals out of the zoo, we found the animals under the tree.
And then we both took different routes from the tree.
The only reason we were running away from the people is because they thought. They thought that we stole them.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why were you running away with the animals? Would you have not left them if you had the protesters running after
Because
you?
the protesters were going to bombard them.
We may not have enough evidence, but we'll find it.
Best of luck. They'll never catch us.
We'll get them.
Those cops were the worst. It was probably the easiest robbery ever.
Did you call the buyer?
It's a microphone.
Oh God.
Sound.
Scene 1, take 8. Action. Attention, all flights have been cancelled. Please head to customer care.
Cut.
Where's my rent?
Going for a take.
Camera. Sound. Scene 1, take 9.
Clear the frame. 3, 2, 1.
Action. Welcome to RT News. Limerick was hammered by Clare on Sunday the 5th of June in Croke Park. Over to their camera. Sound.
Scene 1, take 10.
Action.
Yeah, that's really
Who's doing the weather? There.
Lakyle, are you reading out the weather? Are you reading it out?
Sound.
Scene 1, take 1. Attention, all flights have been cancelled. Please head to customer care.
Say cut.
Action. Attention, all flights have been cancelled. Please head to customer care.
And cut. Give yourselves a round of applause. Okay. Now, on. Everybody, keep it nice and steady. Sound.
Sound.
Camera. Shout it.
Camera.
Sound.
Sound.
Top of the board.
Scene 1, take 4.
Clear the frame. And director is 3, 2, 1.
Action. In America, 5 people died of frostbite in the space of 3 hours. This happened in South Dakota on Sunday. Scientists are still trying to figure out what caused the major temperature drop. Come back tomorrow for an update. Now on to our news from Dublin Zoo.
Camera.
Sound.
Scene 2, take 13.
Action.
Cush.
Be careful. Raise it, raise it, raise it, raise it, raise it. Stand up. Block it.
I know, I really want to fix it.
No, we'll turn that off.
Good for a take. Camera.
Sound.
Scene 1, take 8.
Action.
Attention, all flights have been cancelled. Please head to customer care.
Scene 2, take 4.
Action. And how do you feel about this?
One, and clear the frame. That's fine. Clear the frame. And action!
Camera.
Sound.
Scene 1, take 11.
Action.
Turn yours down.
Scene 2, take 3. Action. 3 animals got stolen from Dublin Zoo last night. A penguin, a wolf and a orangutan. Over to the witness.
2 people came in and stole 3 animals. Unexpected.
Action!
Action!